Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Honda Passport key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to help open the fob. To begin, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob and slide it to remove the emergency metal key. This key will be your first tool. Insert the tip of the emergency key or your flathead screwdriver into the small slot at the top of the key fob. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upward. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency metal key back into its slot. Test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.